Hi guys, Jay here, and welcome to Building My Empire. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money online with video, but it's how to make money online with animation. Yeah, animation is quite popular, guys, but today I'm going to show you an update what's come out on one of the apps I use. So let's get into it and show you this, and then I'll explain how to make money, guys. Yeah, let's get into this. So the app itself, guys, is called Create Studio. There's a link in the description, and if you decide to purchase it, it is an affiliate link, so I will make a commission, but it will be at no expense to you, or no extra cost, I should say. Now, these are transitions you get each month. They update it depending on what package you get. This is this month's update. Got your transitions, your different characters. Now, you can make videos, guys. They have lots of templates and pre-made videos what you can just edit, do a few slight edits, put some people's logos and descriptions on, and then get in contact with people, guys. What I tend to do, I go on Facebook Messenger, Facebook, and I type in different companies. So I might search for dentists in a certain town. So I'm from Bolton, so it'll be dentist in Bolton. And then I will contact them. I will send them the video and say, this is the kind of stuff I can create for you. And same with transitions and that. If you see YouTubers, you can contact them and say you can edit their videos and put transitions on. You've got lots of different transitions on this, guys. Lots of different creative ideas you can use. Or if you want to go down the animation route, animation channel, you can create your own little stories, guys. If you look on the channel a bit further down here, you will see I made a Christmas one. It was only it took me about 5 minutes. It's not the best, but I was just showing people how easy it is and how quick it is. If you've got a creative mind, you can make some really good videos and blow up your channel, guys. So you'll make money on YouTube from AdSense when you get monetized. You can also make money online by contacting different employers and different businesses, guys. Also, guys, you can also go on Fiverr and other freelance websites like Upwork and that, guys, and you can sell your services there. You can offer videos, offer transitions, offer characters, 3D characters, 2D characters. Now, these characters on this one, guys, I don't personally think as good as the last months or the previous months, but if you go and check out the website, like I said in the link in the description, you can check out lots of different characters, guys. So that is it for today, guys. Short video, but hope you enjoyed it, and if you do, give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and comment below, guys. Is this is this sort of application software you like, or do you think there's another one out there better? So let us know, guys. And once again, I'm Jay Roberts, the Geeky Dad, and this is Building My Empire, hoping to help you build yours. So next